So once you've gone through the documentation and you're ready for your first import, you can simply back out of this menu, landing on the import page, where you're going to choose your pathway for importing a tool, PowerMill tool library. I'm going to start with simply a tool library like a database file or a PTF file that might be on my computer. And I'm going to grab a pretty straightforward one right over here. Nothing overcomplicated about these tool assemblies. You can certainly scroll to view the information if you like, or widen the palette. And when you're ready to do so, you just simply add this to your library. Navigating to my local database, you can certainly scan through your tool assemblies and then open them into a focus view to verify, all the cutter details came in as expected. That would include all of its holder geometry, and of course if it contained cutting data from PowerMill as well. That will have come along with this. Now if your source tool didn't have populated cutting data in PowerMill, there are options that we can actually add cutting data as well, but that's going to be in an advanced feature that we'll show in a later video. We're just going to keep this video nice and tight. You might have also noticed when we pulled this import, we do have a setting for a dedicated holder library as well, but this is configurable, so you can switch this on, off, specify a different location, or simply keep it consolidated in the original library file. So whichever way you prefer. Backing up to this page again, you do have the option to connect to live PowerMill sessions if you wish as well. Clearly the difference with the live session is you would need a fully licensed version of PowerMill to do so. But for those who wish to, follow down this road, by all means, you could access your live sessions as well.